All right, guys, you gotta be very careful. We got a miss error. Yeah, right here in this coil, this little connection. We got the bottom one. Oh yeah. Make sure you take these off. Yes, they're hard, guys. Don't worry. Remember, y'all go back and forth when y'all loosen these too. See how it's dripping out? Lean it back. Yep. Good. Hold on, I gotta zoom out. All right, there it is. Oh my. When you did the pretty much put all the wires, everything back in reverse order, guys. Reverse order. You already know. Pretty simple. No.